Hey guys, guess what? I came to Disneyland. Aren't you excited for me? Yeah, I'm here with my family and I also cut my hair. I cut it really short. What do you guys think? You like it? Yeah? Well, I'm just kidding. April Fools. I have not cut my hair. And guess what? I'm not at Disneyland. I'm at home. I tricked ya. All right, guys. Well, guess what? Today we say hello to a new month. Ready? We're going to get started. Say hello to April. Now, for April 1st, I decided to put a little line frog. And this is the third time I do this video, so I have to erase the date and do it all over again because it's the third time I do this video. I know I forget, I do a video, I make a mistake, I stop the video, then it's saving, and then when I try to do it again, it says, oh no, we're saving the last video, you can't save this video. And I'm like, what? Yeah, so I have to make sure that I save the last video, even if it's one that I don't like. And then I have to make sure I don't have videos that are processing at the same time. Kind of weird stuff, but yeah. So today, capital T O D A. I don't like that A because it's open there. It has to be closed. It has to be close to the circle. There, A, Y, space, 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 two fingers, I, S. Today is Wednesday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday is the belly button of the week. It's the middle of the week. Capital W, E, D, N, E, S, D, A, Y, comma, and today is April. April is January, February, March, and April. It's the fourth month. April, capital A, P, R, I, L. April 1st, because it's April Fool's Day, comma, 2020. 2, 0, 2, 0, period. The short date is 4 dash, because it's the fourth month, and 1 dash 2020. Hold on one second. Yes, son. Está en un cajón debajo de la televisión. He wanted to interrupt me on purpose. All right, so this month we have 2 birthdays. We have Owen's birthday on April 27th. He'll be 6 that day. And Sofia Carias' birthday will be April 29th. And that's all the birthdays we have this month. We can see that we started the month not at the very beginning. We're starting the month right. Yesterday was March 31st, so that was yesterday, Tuesday. So today we can't like scoot this over to the end because it would be Sunday. Is today Sunday? No, we have to start on the day that it is today. Today is Wednesday, so that's where we have to start on the first day, 1st of April is on Wednesday. Then we go, so we started the month in the middle of the week. You see that? And then we go, this month has only 30 days, not 31. The 31 is actually hiding there. I better be right. All right, so this is something that I want you guys to do for today. Today, I want, with your parents' help, to go to a new website that I'm definitely going to be using a lot when we come back from a little mini break that we're going to have. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like. Let's see. Okay, it looks like this, right? And then I'm going to pretend to be Rogelio, okay? So what you do is put Rogelio A, that's for his last name. His number is 52, and then it's an @ sign, right? And then you don't know his password, and I'm not gonna tell you because that's the secret that you can't know. Let's see if I did it right. Oh, let me erase it. I did it wrong. That's not cool. Success. It says Cabrillo Elementary School, and then it has Wonders, and it says launch. So I'm gonna launch it. And then it says, hi, Rogelio. And then here we have, I want you to go into this first one, the to-do list. And then we see our big book, our big Krabby Crab book, the one that I already did a video on. But if you see, it has Unit 9, then you can turn the page by pushing this arrow here. You push it, and we're only going to do, let me push it back, week 1. That's all we're gonna do this week, okay? So it says essential question, and whenever you see this sound, it can read it for you.
Weekly concept, growing up. Essential question. How can you help out at home?
Isn't that cool? So, but there are other places that if you push, it can also do a lot of teaching for you, like that one. Oh, there.
This is a train. Train has the long A sound.
That's what we're starting to learn. A, long A.
We will learn one of the spellings for the long A sound. The letters A and E can act together to stand for the long A sound, as in the word gate.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Then you, at every place you can it'll read the instructions for you, and guess what? Look.
Gate. Cake.
Isn't that cool? So it can read all of these things for you, and I want you to go ahead and read this one, and we've already read it before, but it can help you to read again. Now, it's not okay for you just to have that thing read for you. I think you can try to read it by yourself, but if you're missing, if you don't know a word, maybe if you point at it, oh, it doesn't do it. It does the whole thing.
Jake and Dale wake up. Jake can make a bed. Dale can make a bed too.
Oh, cool. So it can do that. All right. So then if you want to finish with this, like if you're finished with it, Let's see what happens near the end. Read together, clues, writing, we're already done. Complete sentences, read together. Is that a thing? No, it's not a thing. Okay, so then you go to the top and you go back to your, or you can close this window and it can bring you back to here. And once you're back here, you can move backwards. So go back. Yep. And I would like for you to do some of these and then read some of these and some of these. These are not, I'm not really asking you to do any of these, but I do want you to read. I do want you to do a little bit of the games, and I want you to definitely always do the to-do list. All right? So that's what I want you to do today to give it a try. I also want you to go, and you have a couple of things to do in your Krabby Krab book. You have to turn to page 305 in your Krabby book, and you're going to read my, he, is, are, with, and little. I want you to cut out those words. Then I want you to put them in an envelope, but before you put them in the envelope, I want you to copy these words into your science journal. So it says, Ted and Ed are friends. Maybe Ed, like our friend Eddie, Ed. So you'll write all of these sentences in your science journal for me. And then in the same one, I want you to do page 246. And 247. And these are long A words. So what we have to do is I will read them to you and you will color them if it's long A. Now, do you have to color it beautifully? No, you really don't. Ache, cake, ace, vase, sun, pin, gate, game, tape, jam, lake. So color the ones that start with that have an A, long vowel A in the middle of the word. So this one is tape. Now you notice that they have to have a silent E, being bossy, telling A to say its name. It's tape and no sound. Tape. Bossy E. You put an A, put an E. Bossy E. Bossy E. How long should this activity take you? 3 minutes. It should not take you that long. It should be really, really fast. Some of you will be done faster than 3 minutes. Then I want you to go to the Skinny Math book, page 629. And today we're learning about circles and triangles. Here, all you have to do is draw different kinds of triangles and different circles. Maybe a little one, a big one, a smaller, a big triangle, small triangle, right there. Then, this is going to show you about circles. Circles have no sides and no vertices. Vertices are corners. 0 sides and 0 vertices, no corners. How many, then this is a triangle, and it's showing that it has 1, 2, 3 vertices and 1, 2, 3 sides, okay? So then here, let me see. On this side, this is a triangle and it has a line. So it wants you to find and circle all the other triangles you see. Here is showing the circle, and you have to circle the other circles you see in this row. The same for this side. Triangle, other triangles. Circle, other circles. Circle, circle, other circles. Got it? And the last page is, it says, look for the circles and triangles, color the circles one color and color the triangles another color. I'm not going to tell you because I want you to read the word by yourself and then you figure out what color it's saying. Okay, you try to read that. Okay, then if you have not done a Flipgrid for me about collections, I want you to do that for me, please. There's 2 counting collections Flipgrids. There's one that's called the special collection. That's something that's cute and special and wonderful and for you. We've done it already. You brought us your special collection, but can you show me a different one? Owen already did one. I saw his special collection and I saw Gaia's. Gaia's was these beautiful portfolio with pictures of that she's, her art pages that she's done. Owen did a lot of Cars from the story, from the movie Cars. It's Lightning McQueen's and Mac, I saw. I did mine with my Precious Moments figurines. You can do with a special collection that you have at home. Lucita the baby has been collecting rocks when we go on a walk. So that's her special collection. Let's see, who else has had a collection? But the other collection is called How Do You Count a Collection 2 or More Ways? So on that one, I want to see the video should be videotaping towards where you're counting, not your face, but towards where you're counting so that I can see if you're counting by 2s or by 5s or by 10s. And I have to really watch what you're doing. All right, so 2 different Flipgrids on counting collections, okay? Thank you, and I'll see you again on Thursday. I miss you very much. Big hugs and big waves. Okay, bye.